awesome. This paneer has got very nice coating of this sauces. Now this is dry chili paneer. Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello friends, I am Madhura. Welcome to MadhurasRecipe.com. Today I am making chili paneer. Chili paneer, it's a kind of fusion dish. It is an Indo-Chinese recipe and it tastes really superb and amazing. So let's take a look at ingredients. To prepare this chili paneer, we need 250 grams of paneer cut into big chunks like this. You can even make long strips or small cubes, the way you like it. Then we need 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or Maida and 1/4 cup of corn flour. Half teaspoon of black pepper, crushed black pepper, ginger, diced, garlic cut into small chunks, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a tablespoon of tomato ketchup, a tablespoon of chili sauce, some onion cut into big cubes like this, then green pepper cut into big cubes like this, a teaspoon of soya sauce, salt to taste, and of course it's chili paneer, so we need some dried red chilies. If you do not want to make use of dried red chilies, in that case you can use fresh green chilies also. To begin with, here I have taken some paneer. To that I am adding some ginger garlic paste. Now this paneer does not have its own taste as such, so we're gonna flavor this up little bit. Some crushed black pepper and just a little bit of soya sauce, and mix this really good. And after this paneer is well coated with this masala, let's just keep this aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now take a teaspoon of corn flour into a bowl. In this add in 2 teaspoons of water and make this into a slurry. Now this will go in our sauce. Now take this marinated paneer and to this add in about 1 to 2 teaspoons of Maida, all-purpose flour. So corn flour and all-purpose flour I am using from the same cup that we have taken, 1/4 cup of each. We don't need in addition to that. Now coat or toss this paneer well with this flour. This way the coating of the spices will remain intact with the paneer when we deep fry them. Now next we need to make some paste using corn flour. Take remaining corn flour and all-purpose flour into a bowl. In that add in some salt, just a little bit. Add some water and make this into a batter. Now try to make this into nice and thick batter like this. You don't want any lumps of this corn flour in this batter. Now that our batter is ready, now let's dip in this paneer or coat this paneer well with this batter, and we are going to deep fry this paneer. Now if you want, you can shallow fry. It gives that nice crunch to this paneer if you follow this step. So I would strongly recommend that you prepare your paneer like this and you will get that nice crunch in your dish. And we need to deep fry this paneer until it gets nice deep golden color from all the sides. So here I have deep fried this paneer and it has got this awesome golden crust as well as crunch. Now let's turn off the heat and let's remove this paneer onto a dish. Shake off all the excess oil. Superb. Now that our paneer is fried, now let's make this chili sauce to prepare this chili paneer. Now when you talk about any Indo-Chinese dish, it is cooked on very high heat so that it gets that nice smoky flavor, plus the vegetables retain its nice crunch. So I have heat up here a tablespoon of oil into a pan, and it is looks nice and smoky hot. Now in this, first go ahead and break in these dried red chilies, then add in garlic, ginger. Give this a head start of just 30 seconds. Then goes in onion and green pepper. Now we do not want to lose the crunch of these veggies, so fry them for just about a minute on a very high heat. And here, after sauteing veggies on a high heat for just about a minute, let's go ahead and add in sauces. So first goes in tomato sauce, soya sauce, chili sauce, mix that in. Also goes in black pepper, little bit of salt. Just be careful while adding salt because the sauces already have a lot of sauce in that, a lot of salt in that. Now in these sauces, let's go ahead and add in this corn flour slurry. Just give this one more stir. This will give nice saucy consistency to our chili paneer. And now let's add in fried paneer. And just coat this paneer quickly with this sauce. Awesome, and here our chili paneer is all ready. Fabulous. Now let's turn off the heat and plate this up. Awesome. This paneer has got very nice coating of this sauces. Now this is dry chili paneer. If you want it on a more liquid side or sauce side, you can increase the amount of corn flour slurry while making this into gravy, and in proportionate you can also increase the amount of other things that go in while making this chili paneer, like chili sauce, soya sauce. And let's top this up with some spring onion. Awesome. Now this chili paneer makes really perfect party appetizer or starter. It smells just fabulous, and it gets really nice kick from this dried red chilies. It gets the whole lot flavor of this dried red chilies. So next time you make chili paneer at home, do try this version of making chili paneer. Also, if you are comfortable using Ajinomoto, you can add in just a pinch of Ajinomoto while making this sauce to get that authentic Indo-Chinese taste in your dish. But I don't eat Ajinomoto, so I don't use while cooking this Indo-Chinese dish at home. So enjoy this chili paneer at home and join us and join with me in yet another tempting and sizzling episode of Madhura's recipe. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.